extra hot Forex. It's Monday, so you know what we do? Daily analysis. So we have to go to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So this week it's a new week, guys. If maybe last week you had a very bad trading day, so don't come back and revenge the market. So just take it as a new day, new mindset, new trading plan, and start afresh. Don't try to recover whatever that you lost, because you just going to lose more. You see? So the best way is to apply your risk management. Take one day at a time. Enjoy trading. Make it as a business, not like to show off, where people they will just show off their screenshot. That thing also triggers your emotions, and then you end up risking more just because you just want to show up a show off that you can able to do that, which is not good. So the best thing is just trade for yourself, not for, I don't know, not for everyone on social medias, because when you blow, you're not blowing someone's money, it's your money, you see. So Forex is not easy. If it was easy, everyone was going to be a billionaire. So the best thing is apply your risk management. And you know what? When you apply your risk management, it's not something which you just do it once. You can just repeat that only 4 days or 5 days a week. You try that, you get used to that. Your habit, you try your body will just uh, try to in like that will be like a habit, something that you do every day. Once you try to do it every day, then after 2 months, 3 weeks, 2 months there, then you'll be used to that, because it's what you try every day. It's not easy. We just try every day. We lose some and we make money some days. You see, you lose some and you win some. So here it's NASDAQ. I think maybe you can see that. Already drawn this on my weekly analysis. I'm still on 4 hour time frame. Why? Because it's a daily. I'm not going to use my day time frame. Why? Because it's going to be very big. You can use that, but now everything is quite nice. It's quite simple, straightforward. You can see I've already drawn this. You can see that, okay, these are the zones where the market was just respecting, and here I see that the market is also respecting this resistance again. So the point here is relax. If the market pushes lower, maybe those who sell, they can sell. But what I'm waiting for, I'm just waiting for the market to break here. We should have a nice retest, or maybe if we don't have a retest, the market should reach around this levels. It will show me that, okay, we have a nice breakout. But if the candlestick just close very closely to my resistant, it's a risky. It's very risky, because the market will just bounce back, and I think it's exactly what it's happening at the moment. So let's try to zoom there. You can see what I'm trying to talk about here. Let me close that. You can see here what I'm trying to say is, don't get fooled by this. Wait for the market maybe to close above, maybe let's say around 13,825, somewhere here. If the market reaches those area, it's where we can say now the market is broken out, you see. Or even if we can see maybe small candlestick trying to push above this resistance, even if they don't really reach 13,825, but around this level 13,800, playing around here, we can see we had a very nice breakout. But you can still wait for, let me show you, we can still wait for something like this to happen. Something like this to happen. We see something like that. Then when we see something like that, we can see that we have a breakout, even if maybe we don't have a very nice, let's say a very nice a very nice retest. So we can maybe wait for another retest, something like this. The market will just go up. Maybe when it comes back, we can say now we're going to take that. But if you see the market closing like around 13,825, it's where we can say that is a breakout. You can just run into it even if we have a rejection, but at least you saw that this is a breakout. But at the moment I don't see that, so I don't think that it's a breakout. So for us to be safe, we just have to wait for the market. Maybe we can see another sell-off before the market can break this area, because this area is very strong, guys. If you check back, then you see that the market was just really respecting this area. So my daily analysis today is whether the market breaks here, I'm going to wait for a retest and buy, or if the market goes lower, I'll just wait for the market to reach this area. It's where I can say around maybe 13,500 is where I'm going to say now I can place my buys or something like that. So on NASDAQ, I think there is nothing much that I can show you because everything is still nice, straightforward. So we're just waiting for a breakout. If it goes lower, we're waiting for it to reach like 13,400 or 13,450 or 13,500 is where we can see now it's around our zone, our buy zone again. But here I'm not going to sell. Why I don't sell NASDAQ at the moment? Then if you sell, obviously here it's a very nice area to do that. You see, then you will do your, if you will continue with the analysis to have a very nice sell from this area. You see, so as long as it's still Monday, guys, you don't have to rush the market. Just wait, relax. We know maybe you lost you lost some of your money. You want to recover that. Then that is the thing that makes people to lose, because they always back on the market just to get whatever that they lost days before. You see. So let's go straight to US30 and see exactly what we can get from here. So here it's also a 4-hour time frame. So what we can expect here, I already drawn these lines. I think it's Sunday when I do my daily analysis. I think it's yesterday. So what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting, let me just zoom that so that you can see. I'm expecting it to respect this area, guys. We have two supports here, you can see. We have two supports and this one. So now the market has to tell us whether it respects this one or it respects the bottom one. Why? Because they are both resistant. Sorry, they were resistant and now it's a support. So it's either the market will respect. Let me show you maybe with an actual candlesticks. Just want my people to understand what I'm talking about. Something like this. Maybe something like this might happen. You see. So remember, these things won't be as perfect as you want them, but it's how the market actually moves. Something like this. Or that maybe if this, you see, what I'm trying to show you is the market can play something like that, or the market will maybe come around this support and respect this one. We don't know. So what we know is we have to wait for the market to show you the direction. So on Sunday I talked about something like here we had a very nice resistance. I hope the market will resist around that area. Then yeah, I think it's already resisted from there. So if maybe we can have a nice consolidation like this, you can see, before maybe we can see another breakout. But we just have to, today we just have to wait, relax, do something, go take a walk and do something. Then at least we can find the market around these areas. Maybe around this area it's where we can say now maybe it's time to buy or it's time to sell, whatever. Then but if it's a resistance, it's a this is first, second. So actually we're not going to say this is a strong one, because the market has to confirm for the third time. Then we can say maybe we can sell, you see. So if these things that I'm talking about but the market doesn't happen like that, it means maybe we will see the market USD breaking this support and going lower, you see, which is also possible, because you should have like option 1 and option 2, because if you just have option 1, it means you're just going to force the market to do exactly what you want, and if it does go in opposite direction, it's where you're going to stick to that direction even if you are losing. So the best way is have different outlooks. If the market goes up or if the market goes down, then that will help you, and it will also improve your risk management, because you will know beforehand that okay, the market might go up. If it doesn't go up, it means the market can go down. You don't just have to force the market to go your way. You know that the market doesn't respect anyone, so if it doesn't go your way, then it's fine. Get out, don't lose much, close your negatives or whatever, then follow what is going on and relax, or you just wait for the market to confirm with your analysis and repeat what actually here is just consistent. Just repeat. If maybe you made profit yesterday or whatever, try to repeat the same thing. If you did wait for the market to reach this area, you have to wait again for the market to do the same thing. If you waited for the market to break the resistance, whatever, wait, and we just repeat the same things. Actually, we don't do much, but that waiting, that time, it's what people don't have. So it's called patient. So if you don't have that patience, then you are in trouble, not only in trading but in life itself. If you don't have patience, then you are in trouble. So let's go straight to gold and see exactly what we can expect from there. Gold, give us something. Okay, on gold it's something like this. So if you still, I just like people to watch my daily videos, because everything it's just continuous. You can see I spoke about something like this yesterday, that this area is an area of support or resistance, and now I see that gold is also respecting that area. If you checked my previous video, I mean yesterday's video, my weekly video, so you can see I also pointed this area, that this area can be our resistant. Now it seems to be our resistant indeed, you see. So maybe the market will sell off. I think the market will just play around these zones. The market will just do something like this, breakout, move up, something like that. So I'm hoping that this will happen, or maybe this will rely on this one, but you can see here, at least here. So I did not look to my left. If I look to my left, if I can draw, maybe I will find something, but it's best for you to wait for the market to show you first that okay, the market is coming here, it's respecting this area again, because sometimes the market doesn't respect every area. The market won't just respect every area. So what you do is wait for it to create that move, and when it bounces back, then it's where you can say okay, it makes sense here. Then even here, when it bounces here, you will say okay, now it does make sense. But if you just force the market to come and bounce around this area, or whatever the area that maybe you might be looking at, then you're going to have a problem. Just wait for the market to present itself to you. Then that way it's where you're going to draw your lines, your trend line, your support and resistance, whatever. Then it's where you're going to get a very nice market direction, where you're going to enter, where you're going to close, where you're going to place your stop losses, your take profits, whatever. Then those things, they do help, guys, you see. So if you want to be in my, I think, sorry, let me just finish this first. So what I'm waiting for here is this thing, gold. I think it will just go down maybe to 1860. It's around here. Maybe our maximum here, I mean our resistance, it's 1890. So here it's our resistance. So I'm hoping the market will just play around these zones. If we have a breakout, it means it will just break 1890 and pushing up. Or if the market goes lower, we'll expect it to reach like maybe 1860. Then but today, just wait for the market to do its thing, because you can see NASDAQ, gold, US30, whatever, they just do the same thing. They just trying to recover whatever that happened on Friday. You see these crazy candlesticks, the market trying to recover that before we can see the actual moves. You see, now it's just recovery. The market is recovering, you see. So if you want to be in my groups, my premium groups, please WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Check my descriptions, then you will find my contacts. Talk to me there. I'll try to help you. So I'm also trying to create a copy trading where people, they will just do the copy trading. Then I'll let you know when everything is quite. If everything is done, then I will let you know where you can go to get my details. Then you can do the copy trading. So thank you for watching. This is Kenzo, Extra Hot Forex. Bow.